Hi, we're Bosco and Hugo. We're going to talk about some smart renewable energy innovations with you today. According to World Economic Forum report, progress on the global energy transition has seen only marginal growth in the past 3 years. If global warming is to be limited to 1.5 degrees Celsius, greenhouse gases emissions need to be almost halved by 2030. In light of this, we are going to introduce some energy innovation. First of all, we will introduce how we can combine solar energy and wind energy. Secondly, we will introduce fanless turbines. The third one is solar canals, and the fourth one would be solar-powered windows. Finally, we are going to talk about how we can make water from air. First of all, we can combine solar and wind power into one single unit. This technology is designed by French startup Uneo. It is a small-scale, easy-to-install solution. The solar panels are designed to be used on the flat rooftops of offices and apartments, while the wind power unit is able to produce 40% more energy than a pure solar system. Apart from that, it is also able to generate power around the clock.
These are the general advantages and disadvantages of solar energy. And these are the benefits and drawbacks particularly involved in this innovation. For the renewability and availability, solar energy is accessible everywhere and every day in Earth as long as there is sunlight. And for the diverse application, solar panels are able to be integrated into materials for buildings. However, because it is weather dependent, days without sunshine and at night cannot produce solar energy, while the wind generating turbines therefore help with this problem. These solar PV panels also do not use a lot of spaces.
The second innovation is able to be used in conjunction with the first innovation, which is a fanless turbine. It is a technology designed by US startup Aeromine. It only uses 3-meter tall wind generators, and it does not require any other external parts. And it is able to meet 100% of a building's need after combining with rooftop solar energy and battery storage. And the fanless turbine itself is also very powerful. It is able to produce 50% more power than other sustainable options.
Here is the mechanism of these turbines behind. These turbines are made use of the patent's aerodynamic design to intentionally capture and amplify airflow. When wind passes through the airflows, a low pressure is generated, drawing air up through the intake and internal generator. These are the general advantages and disadvantages of wind energy. While this innovation particularly involves these benefits and drawbacks, wind energy is renewable and highly available in almost everywhere. For this turbine design, there is no external moving part from the generator. Therefore, it does not cause any environmental impact to the wildlife like flying birds. Also, there is no noise produced and hence minimize noise pollution.
The third innovation is solar canal. It is a technology designed by US startup Solar Aqua Grid, which is to roof over the canal with solar panels. This is able to generate power for 9.4 million homes. And these solar panels will be used in California, a place that is prone to droughts. The first 22 years of this century is the driest period of California since year 800, and the problem has become more severe due to open canals. By roofing over canals with solar panels, we are able to save 283 billion liters of water every year.
This innovation is actually the mixture of solar panels and water candles. For the solar panels is able to generate much electricity due to sufficient sunlight in these dry areas like California. For the water candles, the water is easily evaporated in these areas, so it needs a shadow or indoor thing to avoid direct contact with sunlight and radiation. With the mixture of these, this new PV system is no longer land-based, and this PV system does not occupy large land areas. The solar panel on top can generate electricity and also covering the candles from direct sunlight and radiation, lowering the evaporation loss. The water candles also increases the efficiency of the PV system of solar panels. Due to the cooling effect of the evaporated water, the performance of solar panels rise as the temperatures fall.
The fourth innovation would be solar-powered windows. This technology is designed by a California-based startup Ubiquitous Technology. It is a new transparent energy source, and it is able to generate up to 30% of a building's power needs.
The windows are actually solar panels, which allows the visible light to pass through it, so we can still see the light outside the windows. Also, it converts invisible ultraviolet and infrared light into solar energy. Finally, the last innovation is the technology of making water from air. The fans inside the panels pull water vapor out of the air, which in turn is turned into liquid water. We use electricity to motor an air conditioning system in which the humidity of the air is condensed to produce water.
This technology is designed by US startup Source, which is an alternative source for water. It is able to solve the problem of water scarcity, and it eliminates the need for 54,000 single-use plastic water bottles. And this panels is installed in more than 50 countries, and more panels will be installed upcoming year. And these are the 5 innovations that we have introduced, and this is also the end of our presentation. Thank you.